Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are making hot, sweet and spicy apple chaat for children. This is really tasty and super quick. You have seen this in wedding parties or in another celebration. It is great to taste. Kids love to eat. So let's start. We are going to start by heating up half teaspoon of butter. Next I have putting my apple chunks. I have cut them in medium size. Just cook them well with the butter. Pinch of salt, pinch of black pepper, pinch of red chili powder, half teaspoon of sugar, mix it well. Some chaat masala, and apple chaat is ready. This looks beautiful. You guys try out and let us know how does it come out.